pronounced all Krishna devotees. As a humble offering at the lotus feet of Sri Krishna, let me recite a few verses from Srimad Bhagavatam. I would like to start with a verse through which Mother Kunti offers her salutations to Lord Krishna. Kunti vacha Namasye Purusham Tvadyam Ishwaram Prakrite Param Alakshyam Sarva Bhutanam Antarbahirivasthitam. Kunti said, O Krishna, let me bow down before you because you are the original personality. You are the supreme personality of Godhead. You are not affected by the qualities of this material world. You are existing both within and without everything. Still, you are not visible to all. Ahastani sahastanam abadani chatushpadam falguni tatra mahadam jivo jivasya jivanam. This verse states a general rule. Ahastani sahastanam, those who are devoid of hands, or pray for those who have hands. Those who are devoid of legs, or pray for those who have 4 legs. And those who are weak are the subsistence of the stronger, the mightier. So, one living being is food for another. This is the general rule. Jivo jivasya jivanam. Akama sarvakamo va mokshakama udaradhi tivrena bhakti yogena bhajeta purusham param. A person, he may be full of material desires, or he may be having no material desire, or he may be having a desire for liberation. Whatever be his desire, if he is of broader intelligence, udaradhi, then what he should do? By all means, with utmost devotion, he should worship the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Shrudena tapasa vagim vajobhishchitta vrittibhi. Shrudena tapasa vagim vajobhishchitta vrittibhi. Buddhya vagim nibunaya balenendriya radhasa. All these are meaningless. Severe austerities, the process of hearing, the power of speech, the power of mental speculation, elevated intelligence, the power and strength of senses, all these are meaningless if there is no devotional service. Then how to perform this devotional service? Prahlad Maharaj beautifully explains the 9 methods of devotional service, Navadha Bhakti, in the next verse. He also explains Kriya Yoga, the deity worship, beautifully in Srimad Bhagavatam. Shri Prahlada Vacha Shravanam Kirtanam Vishno Smaranam Padasevanam Archanam Vandanam Dasyam Sakhyam Atmanivedanam Idi Pumsarpita Vishno Bhaktischennavalakshana Kriyeta Bhagavatyatha Tanmanye Dhidamuttamam. The 9 processes of devotional service, which are they? Shravanam, Kirtanam, chanting, hearing the transcendental holy names, form, qualities, pastimes and paraphernalia of Lord Vishnu. Shravanam, Kirtanam, Smaranam and remembering these things. Padasevanam, serving the lotus feet of Lord Vishnu. Archanam, Vandanam, Dasyam, offering a respectful worship to the Lord through the 16 types of paraphernalia, Shodashopachara. Offering prayers to the Lord. Archanam, Vandanam, Dasyam, becoming his servant. Sakhyam, considering Krishna as one's best friend. And Atma Nivedanam, complete surrender to Krishna. These 9 processes are accepted as true devotional service. And the person who has devoted his life to the service of Lord Krishna through these 9 processes should be understood as the most learned one because he has acquired the complete knowledge. And the next verse is spoken by Lord himself. And this verse reveals the love of Krishna for his devotees. Shri Bhagavan Vacha Aham Bhakta Parathino Hyasvatantraiva Dvija Aham Bhakta Parathino Hyasvatantraiva Dvija Sadhubhirgrasta Hridayo Bhaktair Bhakta Janapriya. O Brahmana, I am not at all independent. I am completely under the control of my devotees. And where do I sit? I do sit in the cores of hearts of my devotees who are devoid of any material desire. And my indirect devotees, the devotees of my devotees, are very dear to me. Then what to speak of my direct devotees? And the next verse. This also tells us the importance of chanting the Hare Krishna Mahamantra. Tava kathamritam tapta jivanam kavibhiriditam kalmashapaham Shravanamangalam Shrimadatam Bhuvi Grinandiye Bhurida Jana. Tava Kathamritam Tapta Jivanam. The nectar of your words and the description of your activities are the life and soul of the people who are suffering from the miseries of this material world. And the narrations which are transmitted by the learned sages, which are transmitted through the learned sages, they eradicate one's sinful reactions, kalmashapaham. And they are filled with spiritual powers, Srimadattatam. And the person, whoever hears it, they are bestowed upon with good fortune, Srimadattatam. And these are filled, these narrations, they are broadcast all over the world. And the persons who spread the message of the Supreme Personality of Godhead, they are the most beneficent. Kalir doshanidhe rajannasti hyego mahan gunaha kirtanadeva krishnasya mukta sanga param vrajer. My dear king, the sage of Kali, this Kali Yuga, is an ocean of faults. Still, there is one good quality about this age, this Kali Yuga. Kirtanadeva krishnasya, simply by chanting the Hare Krishna Mahamantra, one can become free from the material bondage and he can be promoted to the transcendental kingdom. Nimnaganam yatha ganga devanam achyuto yatha vaishnavanam yatha shambhu purananam idam tatha. This speaks about the importance, the greatness of Srimad Bhagavatam. Just as river Ganga is the greatest of all rivers, just as Lord Achyuta is the supreme among all deities, just as Lord Shambhu, Lord Shiva is the greatest among all Vaishnavas, so as Srimad Bhagavatam is the greatest of all the Puranas. Indeed, we are all blessed to have got an opportunity to chant a few verses from Srimad Bhagavatam. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. Thank you.